What's up, everybody? We're here at the DeWALT booth, World of Concrete for 2020. It's my first time here. Ricky, is it your first time here?
10th.
It's Ricky's 10th time here. So guess what? We couldn't ask for a better person to show us something new at the DeWALT booth. It's coming right up after this.
All right, so we have here is our brand new 1 3/4 SDS Max rotary hammer, and it is shipping. So it just started shipping on Friday, so this is hot, fresh, new for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, is it coming in kits with the 12 amp hour?
So it's coming in, actually this should have the 9, so it is gonna be kitted with the 9.
Okay.
2 9 amp hours.
Now, let's go over it.
What's awesome about it, right?
I want to know what's awesome.
All right.
Because you want to know what's awesome.
So, like all of our cordless SDS Max hammers, it has our shock system on it for vibration. It also has our patented E-clutch technology. So in a bind-up situation, shuts the tool down. That's good.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I've been on a ride before.
Yeah, it's not fun.
It's not fun, and it hurts.
Yeah. You don't make money when you're hurt. So.
Well, being the owner, I have to just go to work anyway, even hurt. So
it's got variable speed on it.
Okay.
Okay. So sometimes you don't have to go all crazy, right? But it's got 10.5 joules of impact energy, so right, lots of power. But one of the coolest parts though about this tool is our wireless tool control. So you see this little icon on here?
Okay. Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it shows you it's paired.
This hammer talks to that vacuum right there.
Okay.
It's paired, right?
What's it say? Does it say it says you suck? Is that what it says?
Yeah. It says you suck.
You suck.
So, but no,
I thought that was funny.
It tells it right that hey, you need to work, which is great because you know it's a common frustration for guys to be like, dude, this thing's constantly running. I don't want to hear it. I need it when I need it.
People want solutions. They want things to work together.
Easy.
They do. And the thing is, as a small business owner, like I say all the time, I can think, okay? I can think. You might not think so. But sometimes, small business owners, we're so busy, we just want to talk to an expert and say, hey, I got this, what goes with this, what works with that, and we just want it to work. So we can do what we do best. I like that.
Agreed.
I like that.
If you notice, the icon on here matches the one on the vacuum.
So down here, we have our these are like our pairing buttons.
Yeah, exactly right.
Now let me ask you a question.
Yep.
Is it Bluetooth certified?
No, we don't use Bluetooth.
So it's not a Bluetooth.
No drama with the Bluetooth.
Okay.
Easy. And by the way, there's nothing to add to this system.
Okay.
Which is the big thing, right? Because there's some other pairing systems out there.
Sure.
You got to buy little bits and pieces. I'm sure your guys never lose anything.
Oh my God.
Never, but we see that happens a lot out in the field. So this system is fully integrated into the tool. It's just there from day one, nothing extra to add, no extra expense, right?
Important.
Yeah, I think so too. So, you want to give it a drill?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you have any stats on it?
Absolutely.
He said 10 joules,
yeah,
right?
10.5 joules.
10.5
right?
joules.
15 pounds. It's really the two big ones to focus on.
Okay. So we're on the job, right? So it squeezed the trigger. We get some suction going. We place our ring, and then we go to work. I like how that clutch turned off. Yep.
And then when you squeeze the trigger again, the system automatically resets itself. You go right back to work.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah, so we develop all these hammers in coordination with our anchors, right? So when you look at this type of tool, we have like our Pure 110 or our AC200 epoxies.
Okay.
Right, set up for rebar doweling. So like this tool, when we developed it, we looked at what type of rebar would the guy be installing, and the epoxy that they'd use. These are two good examples of that. You know, and this is really key for like number 5, 6, 7, and 8 rebar. Like that's really that range for you. So you'd be drilling anywhere between 5/8, 3/4, all the way up to 1 1/8 inches.
Okay. How much?
All right. The kit with 2 9-amp-hour batteries, kit box charger, is $8.99.
Okay.
The bare tool, though, and this is a big one, is $5.99. So this, we have a cordless, but we also have a corded one as well.
All right.
Guess how much that is? $5.99. It's the same price as the bare tool. So that way, if somebody's already in the system, they don't really have to make like a sacrifice or anything to get into a cordless hammer.
Gotcha. So you have options, and if you like options from large tool manufacturers like DeWALT, then smash the like button, get subscribed, and tap the bell, because you never know when we might get some good input from experts here at DeWALT. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all in the next one. What else you got? Anything? What else you want to show us?
Yeah, so we have this. We have some pretty awesome new cutting shrouds.
I want to say it.
Guys, this is Nate.
We appreciate it. What's up, Nate? I'm Vince.
I'm Nick. Hey,
Welcome to the channel. What are going to show us today, Nate?
We're going to be talking about the new dust cutting shrouds for our grinders.
Okay.
We offer in both a 7-inch and in a 5-inch version here. So we've got both of them around in the market today. They both have the same feature set, so I'm going to set one of them down so we can talk about the bigger one, a little easier to see for your cameras. So a couple big easy things here. We got a plunge system, so you can plunge, set your depth, whatever depth you want it to be. So I'll go all the way down there, and now I can plunge all the way in. One of the reasons that's important is because now I keep this bottom surface all the way against my material as I plunge all the way down in the cut. Before, you used to have a nice little V area where it dust escaping during the cut.
Okay.
And then if I want to be able to change out my blade, both here, open them up completely, change my blade out, put everything back in my locked in position. And then these connect to our airlock system. If you look at this unit here, our airlock system locks in with just one click, locks back on, and nice and secure, right? Before you had tape running around, press fittings, now we've got a nice easy lock on. Our 5-inch unit, because we have a cordless extractor that has 125 CFM, we can do a cutting application or a surface grind application fully cordless with our units because of the fact that we have the 125 CFM and we meet the 5-inch rule requirements.
Okay. Sounds awesome. My question is, with their respective grinder, depth of cut, what are we looking at?
So on the 5-inch, you're looking at a little under 2 inches. And then,
So you can almost get 2 inches with this.
not a full 2 inch, but close to it.
Are we talking 1 7/8? We talk
Probably like 1 3/4 inches.
1 3/4. Okay, fair enough.
And then so this is actually a 4.5 inch blade I've got on here today. This is what I grabbed out of the shop on accident.
Okay.
But with a 5-inch blade, you get a little deeper cut there.
All right.
And then in the 7, you're going to get 2.5, somewhere in that range. It's a decent depth of cut on them.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. That's pretty impressive. Cool.
Price and availability.
Yeah, so these will be start shipping in March. So we're almost there.
Yeah, really.
Rock and roll, yeah.
What's the price on them?
Looking at $79 retail suggested on the 5-inch, and then $159 on the 7-inch. And that's just the units by themselves. The grinders will be sold separately, but they are built to work on any of our large angle grinders for the 7-inch, and even the small angle grinders for the 5-inch. So if you already own DeWALT grinders, you don't need to go out and buy a new unit. You just get the shroud to go with yours.
That's a quiet vacuum.
Oh, it's not on yet.
So I need to actuate here.
Yeah, so unlike the hammers, we haven't integrated yet.
Are you looking at integrating soon?
Something we're looking at, yeah.
All right, I have a question now. Is this not adjustable at all?
As far as what?
As far as how my this seems better.
You got your plunge. Now
Okay,
that's
so
just it. Nice on the bottom, and now you can set where you want to go. Plunge in, and then you can come forward. If you're looking at the angle of the grinder, yeah, you could adjust it. Just a
you could, right?
quick flip of a pillow.
So then, right here, we'd have our adjustable plunge, right? So we're gonna set our depth. All right, we'll call it 3/4 of an inch. We're gonna set that. All right, let's set it down first. What do you think? You ready? Yeah. All right, you ready? That seemed pretty effortless. There we go. We're down to 1.125", all right? So we'll go to the full depth this tool will allow us. I will say, at that setting, it seemed pretty effortlessly done. You ready? Not bad. You ready? Sweet. I will say this, with that blade fully embedded, I gotta tell you, that flexible grinder, there wasn't a whole lot of stolen. None at all. Pretty awesome. Nate, we appreciate
Thank you. Appreciate it, guys.
you filling this in. No ramp up at all, bro. Yo, I gotta tell you, this is awesome. This is literally awesome. There's nothing worse, right? You're getting ready to set a bunch of hat track, and you got your battery all charged, you got your gas in, right? And the next thing you know, you realize your canister's empty. No more, you don't have to worry about that anymore. It's just pure battery. I can't even believe we're able to set those pins. I want to get the specs on this though. I mean, are we setting just 3/4 inch pins? What's the pin length we could set with this? I'm sure we'll find out. Good luck. So that's all we could go to, 3/4? You can't shoot 1.5 pins or anything, right?
You can shoot up to 2 1/4.
So 2 and nah, no way. 2 1/4 with this thing?
Yep. Diameter up to 1/45s, 1/2 inch to 2 1/4.
Wow.
800 and above.
So you need to put down, let's say you need to put down 3/4 inch ply. You want to put down hardwood floor, which it's kind of sketchy on top of concrete nowadays. There's better alternatives, but you needed to put down something over top. You can shoot up to 2 1/4. Is that 2 1/4 inches? That's unbelievable. No gas, all battery power. How do they accomplish it? Can you tell me? Do you know? Is this your product? Are you you're not the product manager?
I can run through it pretty good. So,
Can you? Let's do it. What's your name?
Bill McNamara.
Bill, I'm Vince. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Tell us all about it.
So 90 joules of energy runs off the same 20-volt battery system. So this is our concrete nailer. 2 different magazines on here, as you can tell. One for deeper embedment up to 2 1/4 inches.
So this will do 3/4, but it will go up to 2 1/4.
Up to 2 1/4.
This is just a 3/4.
This is a smaller magazine, yeah. So for smaller applications, just kind of how they're packaged.
I understand.
So you can either get them with 2 batteries, or 5 amp hour, or you can get them bare tool. Runs off the same system as our entire other 20 volt. So over 200 tools. Diameters that you're shooting, 102s up to 145s.
Okay.
So if you need a thicker nail, you can get the 145 diameter, but also the 102s.
And it will shoot into concrete. Will it shoot into steel? Can I fasten the steel with this?
We do have steel pins. Optimally, concrete's more of what this is for.
But it could potentially. You have steel pins. You can do it. I'm just wondering here.
I do not know the correct answer to that.
When we like the honesty, Bill, we do. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
What's the price on these? Is there a price difference?
Bare with batteries, probably $399. Bare, I think a little bit more with batteries, maybe.
Wow.
Yeah, somewhere in that range.
Listen, this is the deal, and I'm just being real with you. I use a different style
Yeah,
that requires gas and a battery, right?
absolutely.
The last time I bought one, we're looking at like $1,200.
Yeah,
That's an unbelievable value.
yeah. And one more thing too, so for different material, you asked about the steel
Yes.
concrete here. So there's different settings. So you can do different settings. So, if you're
So
going
there is
into
a steel
CMU
setting.
Yeah, so if you're going into CMU, all the way up to, your higher PSI concrete,
Understand.
Yep, you can change it per embedment depths. So,
And these are all the applications. Straps, hat
lathing
track.
washers is probably one of the most common lathing washers. Because it's on the 20-volt system, you don't need to be trained for it either, and there is no gas, so confined space, great for this tool. Conduit clips for holding down either rebar or electricians, as well as just everyday use. So you can do track, as you see, but the lathing washer is a huge application.
And if you like having options and no gas, I hate having gas and not having gas. I hate finding out I don't have gas. It's the worst. Then smash the like button. Also, get subscribed and tap the bell, because you never know when Bill might show up in another video. You're not going to want to miss it. Thank you, buddy. We appreciate all your help. With that, I appreciate each and every one of you being here. We'll see you on the next one. I gotta tell you, out of everything here, this is my favorite thing.
Is it really?
Yeah, so far, yeah. This is awesome. Because I use it.
It's so fun.
Dude, it's a game changer.
Yeah.
This is exciting, at least for me. People are like, oh, really? I'm like, heck yeah. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.